Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com here for ntmarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, I want to get this out a little bit early because there's something going on in the market that I was talking to my subscribers about yesterday afternoon, and it's a phenomenon that we saw in 2013, and it can be summarized as this. When we would make a new high, typically what would happen in the real meat of the uptrend would be you would make a new high. In this case, we're talking about 1992 in Globex on Friday. We saw a push above that area on the following day, as high as 1999.75. What we saw time and again during the course of the real meat of the uptrend was a retracement to that old low, establishing that old low as, kind of a floor for the market, and then moving up off of that low and making new highs. So what we're seeing right now is you got the purple line here is the Friday high. It's established right here. You've seen it get tested a couple times. Then we just tested it within a tick right here this morning at about 5:45. And now we're seeing a real push higher, some real price rejection from that old high. So now the onus is going to be on the bulls today. Job one or the bears rather. Job one for the bears today is going to be to break 92. If the bears can break 92, then they have an opportunity to retrace the market back as far as this area here. This is 1984.75, which established itself as a double bottom late on Friday and allowed a lot of this Globex push Sunday night into Monday. We launched off of that 84.75 double bottom up to the 99.75. So we're seeing 92 to 84.75 double bottom, up to 99, back to 92. If this plays out, the higher percentage outcome today will be to break through 99.75 on the futures. The cash is already over 2,000. They went over 2,000 yesterday. To get the futures over 2,000 today. Now, what does that do? What's beyond 2,000? Well, here's your daily chart. It shows our high here, 99.75, and you see the upper Bollinger Band there. It's up at 2010.20, and again, the over 90% outcome is to touch the upper band, the upper beige line, before you touch the green band, which is now converging down there with the 50-day exponential moving average. The middle band is the 20-day simple moving average, the middle Bollinger Band. It is an over 90% probability during the course of this uptrend since January 1, 2013 that the upper band will be touched before the middle band. And the price action that we're seeing intraday is certainly playing that out. You're not getting any deep dips. The dips you're getting are getting bought fairly quickly, and we continue to make new highs almost every day. A push over 2,000 could, if history holds true, create enough of a squeeze to get up there and interact with the upper band. Then the issue becomes what happens when we hit the upper band. Well, there's one of two things that can happen. We can fade back, and the likelihood of that is a little bit more than it was last week because you've got the Bollinger bandwidth down here is over 6, so you don't have tight bands. You've got some nice wide bands, and if with enough of a squeeze into kind of a reaction high, you can get a reversal off of that touch, but we'll have to see how it trades when it gets up there. The second possibility, which is very bad news for the bears, is that we start to ride that upper band. And what an upper band ride looks like for those of you, I know there's new people that follow me every day. Some people have been watching this for 3 years. Some people have been watching this for 3 minutes. So when I talk about an upper band ride, I'm talking about the price action staying up along this upper band. And that is a grinding squeeze type of action that really takes the shorts for a serious ride. I don't see that as the most likely outcome now. The bands are simply too wide. We're extending past a very big marker at 2000, and it would seem more likely to get a little bit of a fade back off of that band touch, probably at that point to test 2000. So that's what I'm seeing today. It's a big concern for the Bears because 1992 just held. Job one, get through 92, go test 84.75. If they can't do it, we're going to go over 2000, and the push over 2000 should take us up to touch that upper band. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princetontrader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out our chat room. Check out the Hammerstone, thehammerstone.com. Click on products and come take a free trial to Princeton Trader. You'll be starting with a lot of new people, and it's a good time to come in and see what we're all about. And come trade this stuff with us. All right, have a fantastic day. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.